Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to make questions using the word what and be verbs. When referring to one thing, we have to use the be verb is. For questions that indicate more than one item or thing, the be verb are is used. Let us take a look at some of these examples. What is it? It is a watch, or it's a watch. In this example, we have a watch. That is, we have a single watch here. So the question is, what is it? Because it is referring to a single watch. And the answer is, it is a watch, or it's a watch. To the right, we have a lot of watches. And the question will be, what are they? They are watches, or they are watches. What is it? It is a pencil, or it's a pencil. Now the be verb is here is used because it is referring to a single item or a single thing. And the question is, what is it? It is a pencil, or it's a pencil. To the right, we have more than one pencils. And the question will be, what are they? What are they? They are pencils, or they are pencils. Let us take a look at more examples. What is it? What is it? We have a single key here, and the be verb is will be used. What is it? It's a key. It's a key. Or we could say it is a key. And the contraction is it's a key. What are they? What are they? Because we have more than one key, we have a bunch of keys. The be verb are is used here, referring to more than one thing. What are they? They are keys. They are keys, or they are keys. They are keys. What is it? What is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. What are they? What are they? They are dogs. They are dogs. Or you could say they are dogs. The contraction is they are dogs. We have come to the end of this video, and what we learned today is how to make sentences using what with the be verb is or are. We use is when referring to a single item or thing, and we use are when we are referring to more than a single thing or a collection of things. I hope you learned a lot today. Now, if you have any questions, you could always get in touch with me. My email is right there in the description box. See you in the next video. Bye.